UnoQByte Season 5, powered by Resonance Energy. With us, we have Mr. Rajesh Mediratta, who is the CEO of Indian Gas Exchange. So, welcome. The Uno question to you is related to the, what you foresee of Indian Gas Exchange in Indian market. So, you have so many products you have launched. You have now launched IGX also. So, what are your views? How you see the Indian market and how you see IGX doing in this particular market?
Thank you, Akhilesh. When we started Exchange, we envisioned that we should provide whatever is required by customer. So customer is the king, and then we should take care of all the requirements. So for that, we have launched this IT-enabled platform. So because it is IT-enabled, we have automated a lot of things, so we can provide contracts and options for sourcing, which may be as for one day, it can be a fortnight, weekday, month, and then also longer. So initially when we started with 5-6 contract. Now we have added something more. So we now provide option for power plants. So intraday contract is also available, where a power plant in the morning, if they come to know that they have to generate power using gas, in the evening they should be able to buy that. So to that extent,
you have taken the experience of IGX also.
Yes. Okay. So to that extent, we have already brought everything what a customer may need.
Right.
And also long duration contracts we launched about 3 months back. And the reason was that we saw there is a requirement from the customer and also seller.
Yes.
That if a seller is bringing LNG linked to benchmarks like Vim, Brent, and JKM, then he should be able to sell using the same benchmark on the exchange, and that is for 3 months and 6 months. And for that, we signed a licensing agreement with S&P Platts, and now we are able to use that to their benchmark, and that is what we are doing. We also have launched a small scale LNG contract, so where even trucked LNG can be traded on the exchange. That contract is available at all the LNG terminals. And IGX, of course, the reason why we did all of this, because we wanted to have India's own price benchmark, which was missing in the scene. And we are very hopeful that that will be, and anyway now that benchmark is being used as a reference by all the players. And later, as we have more contract and also more liquidity, and also futures coming in, which may be launched by NSE, then we see that this will become a real hedging tool for all the power sector, gas sector players. And that's what we aim to. We want to create our own India's benchmark price, which currently we are using somebody else's price, but we should be doing our own. It's like Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes, absolutely. I think IGX has been a game changer when it comes to the natural gas trading part in India. And all the best, sir, for future, so that it becomes more strengthened and we have a gas-based economy, totally accomplished by Indian Gas Exchange. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Pleasure meeting you, sir.